Have you noticed these miniature wooden car building videos taking over Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts? They're absolutely exploding right now. Some brand new pages are gaining thousands of followers simply by posting this one style of content, and many of their videos are reaching thousands of views. The best part, you don't need woodworking skills or expensive software to create them. Let me show you exactly how I made this entire video using AI in just a couple of minutes. First, open Perplexity on your desktop and type this prompt. Provide me with 15 engaging car names and models from popular brands like Rolls-Royce, BMW, hit generate, and within seconds, you'll get a list of eye-catching car models. Choose the one that looks the most visually exciting, as these usually perform the best. Once you've selected your car, open the prompt link in the description below. Copy the entire prompt and head over to Google Flow. Inside Google Flow, switch to the video section, select the OmniFlash model, and adjust your preferred settings. Then paste the complete prompt into the prompt box. Now go back to Perplexity. Copy the name of your chosen car, return to Google Flow, and replace the vehicle placeholder in the prompt with that car name. Here's a simple trick that makes a huge difference. Before the car name, add the exact color you want. For example, matte black Lamborghini Aventador. Once everything is ready, click Generate and let the AI do the work. Within moments, you'll have a cinematic miniature wooden car making video that's ready to upload. Want to create more videos? Simply repeat the exact same process with a different car model. Every new vehicle gives you fresh content while keeping the same viral format. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next viral AI content idea.